Guys, get him here. Chainsaw Man chapter 85. Last chapter, we had the reveal of Makima's true intentions. We had Kishibe confronting her on her intentions. Then we had, we found out that when Denji kills a devil, he completely just wipes him from the existence of the earth. Like, they never even existed prior to him. And then we saw Denji just murdering hell and about to emerge. And I think they're gonna fight. Makima and Denji, I think, are gonna fight. And I'm fucking ready for it. And I'm so hyped for it. And I'm gonna lose my shit. Anyway, hold on, let me hang these bitches. Oh, I do that every time. Ooh, that's a cool little. What is that, a celebration? Bloody good gut feeling. Let's go. Don't move. You might want to back off. I asked Chainsaw Man to save me. I'm about to be killed. Although, I will attempt to resist in celebration. Now come. Bro. Bro, I hope he doesn't kill him. Please don't kill Kishibe. Wait a minute. Bro! Bro, he fucking sliced her! Into like multiple pieces! Bro! Save me? Yo, get the fuck out, bro! Bro, they're about to fight. Because that didn't kill her. There's no way that killed her. What's he at? Family burger? We've got an order, family. Eat with your family. Eat with your family at Family Burger. Moms and dads love Family Burger. Tomato, lettuce, cheese, bun. And the starter that packs the punch is the beef. Here's your meal. 1 supersized Family Burger, 1 large order of fries, and 1 large cola. Cooked long enough. Oh no! KOBENI! KOBENI! No! Yo, she really... No! Did I not see her before this? I thought like maybe I missed her or something. Family! Sigh. KOBENI. Huh? Your smile's too forced. Make it more like family. Yes, sir. Also, you say, every time you talk, it's about the time you broke that bad habit. Because that's not too familiar. Family? Oh? What the fuck is that word? Yes, sir. Yo, he slapped her? That was a family slap, okay? I want you to remember that pain every time you're about to say, If you do that, you'll stop saying it, won't you? Isn't that right? KOBENI, we should all work together to solve problems, because we're a family. Save me. What did you say? Oh, welcome to... Yo, listen, bro. Listen, hold up. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. If Denji comes through this motherfucking door... Because, bro, listen, bro. He did! Bro! Was he about to punch him? Oh! Yo! He just sliced his noodle off. Look at their faces! Hey, Uchita. Just once in my life, I want to try a hamburger that isn't rotten, you know? Holy flashback, bro. Hamburger meal. He's really just sitting down. Vomveya. Call the devil. Bro, slice them, bro. Vom. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Is this for real? Are you serious? Vam. Va. Ah. Hamburger. Hamburger. Got an order. 1 hamburger. Ah. Make it a meal. Family. Eat with your family at Family Burger. Moms and dads love Family Burger. Tomato. The dead guy. Cheese. Bun. In a store that packs a punches. The other dead guy. Bro. Yo. My man don't play when it comes to just like them fucked up panels. You know what I'm saying? Like, KOBENI. Take the food out. Take it out there. Huh? Me? 1 supersized Family Burger. Meal. Oh, she spilt it on him. Look at everybody's face. He's gonna realize who she is, right? Or she's gonna... Does she know who he is? Like, who else would have chainsaws? You know what I'm saying? Vomberka. Family. Eat with your family at Family Burger. Moms and dads love Family Burger. Tomato. Dead guy. Cheese. Bun. KOBENI, we're going to die because of you. Yo, he cut his head off. Don't trip this time. Don't you dare trip. Sorry, I focused back at that panel. Yes, sir. Yeah. Don't dare trip. Don't say don't say it. 1 super-sized family. Meal with Pola. She did it again, bro. What? She started crying, dude. Denji's gotta recognize her. You know what I'm saying? I just don't understand how she doesn't understand or like know that that's Denji. Like, who else would have these crazy fucking chainsaws? I don't know, man. Really don't. I hope they recognize each other. But then what the fuck happened with Makima? Because she's not dead. Like, she's gonna show up. There's no way. And then, let me go back. Was it Denji that said, save me to Kishibe? Or did he hear it? Save me. I think he's saying that. Or thinking it. Because I think he's saying it. But Makima cannot be dead. Like, for real. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you did, do that like, subscribe, stupid shit that they do when they talk to them, you know what I mean? The bill. Fucking thanks for watching. I'll be back next week for Chainsaw Man.